Okay, example 8 says you work in the marketing department of a soft drink company and are experimenting with a new can for iced tea that is slightly narrower and taller than a standard can. For your experimental can, the ratio of the height to the radius is 4. We're going to A, write the volume of the can as a function of the radius r, and then B, write the volume of the can as a function of the height h. Alright, so on the next slide here we've got some room to work. So remember, the volume formula is pi r squared h. So we're going to write V as a function of r. So here we have, remember, it told us that the height, it had a ratio of 4 to 1. So I'm going to take, and we're going to replace our height with that 4r. And so we can write this a little neater here, because when we get this, we've got, remember, all this is being multiplied now. So we got 4 pi, and this is r cubed. Okay. B, we're going to, it said, write the volume of the can as a function of the height h. So that means that we're going to take the radius out and we're going to put h in the place of it. So V of h then is equal to pi. Remember that the ratio of the height to the radius is 4 to 1, so this is going to be h over 4 for the radius. It says this is squared, and then we have our height. So we're going to work through this. So we got pi, and this is what, h squared up here, over 16 times h. Now remember, that's like over 1, so we can actually multiply those h's together. So we end up with, we got pi, h squared times h here is h cubed all over 16.